Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download and install VLC Media Player on your computer. If this helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open up Google Chrome and type in VLC Media Player Download. Hit enter and click on the very first result. That's the official VLC website. Once you're there, just hit the orange Download VLC button and your download will start automatically. When it's finished, open the setup file. Now select your language, click OK, then follow the steps. Click Next, leave everything at default, and click Install. After a few seconds, the installation will complete. Finally, click Finish to launch VLC Media Player. And that's it. VLC is installed and ready to go. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching.